Let's screw it the rest of the way. That's good, that's good. Yeah, I'm gonna buy one for Mom's truck. Alright guys, so as you can tell, Burger Motorsports didn't take weight. 270, 280 bucks. This is another 20. As you can tell, we did put those in. Just a like 10% difference, but we're moving it. And we bought this. But what size is that? What size is it's supposed to be a 6-bit. So, okay, now bring a T20. These for the mass airflow sensor. Little T20, and then but this one comes with the Phillips ones, so you can throw those away, the ones up there, if you want. If you want, you can transfer them. I don't know, it's up to you. Little T20. This thing will take max like 10 minutes if you don't know how to do it 15 minutes. But that's easy. It's just you know 20. You see right there. I'm gonna keep them just in case you always want to keep your stuff. But let's remove this one. The reason I bought this one is they said that this one on high boost it likes to crinkle up and stuff. I'm gonna let him do all of it. It's easy peasy. Remove these 3 metal clips. Boom. Old one is off. You can take that out. And before we put anything in, I'm gonna clean this out with my mouth. Oh, that hurt. No, you don't remove that. You don't remove that. You leave that one in. Yeah. Oh. So these guys, you can take these off or leave them on. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, but it's just these 3 clips, and you can remove both of those, and the 6mm and the T20 to remove that. All you need now is this screw and this little spot, this little piece right here. You see this little one? Let me take it out of the package here. But this piece of billet right here, this little piece of billet, you put it right in. You put it right in here, as you can see right there, right in here. Right there, so it could grab the intake from here. So you can grab the intake and you can hold it. It's right there like that. So right now we're gonna put that easy. Just use the old clamps that you got with it. Tight. Now push this all the way back. You might need to screw it a little bit.
It's already all the way unscrewed.
That's good. All right, boom. Just tighten it now. All right, get it right. Tighten it now. Alright, that's good. Call it a day. So we're gonna take this one out now. Put that one over there. Boom. Now we grab this big old ting. Yeah, you just squeeze it in there. Boom. Just like that. Feel it all the way around. You don't feel something coming out. Perfect. Get it as close to the brim as possible. To the tip of the thing. Boom. Now tighten that ting. Look at how simple that looks now. He's removing the screws right now so you can put the mass airflow sensor in. Let's do that first before we move on to anything. Put it in, snug it up tight, obviously. Push it all the way in, fix it. Put it in the holes. We bought a blue one, obviously, because blue cow, blue that, blue car. I love blue. Blue. Yes, blue. Oh, and blue oil cash can. Oh, he's gonna put the last one in right there. Way back there, as you can see. I mean, you gotta screw it tight so the gasket can close up on itself. Yep, just like that. Boom, perfect.
Can we put it on here first?
So he's gonna tighten it on before he puts it in the little hole. Push it down. Flip it in there. Boom. It's coming together slowly but surely.
Should we disconnect it from there to make it easier?
Yeah, I'll take my turbo inlet. I'll buy a turbo inlet, but those are like $200-300 for just a piece of metal pipe, like a small little piece of metal pipe. All right, guys, we just made it fit. We just have to maneuver around. Now, the pretty boy. All right, guys, so it's an 8 for this one. Boom, boom, boom. It might turn on a little rough, guys, because I mean it's gonna grab much more air. But right now we're gonna get a sound test. I should have done it before and after, but I think I got a video of it after. Before, I mean, but old thing. There's a new, pretty fine. This can go.
I feel like you should take this whole thing off.
But there you go, guys. There's that. Don't look at my hose for my old catch can. I know it's a little bent, twisted. We try to make it fit. We'll find a new way to make it fit, but we'll go ahead and start it up. Damn. All right. You see, guys, it's gonna run a little rough. There's more air than usual. That it's sucking up, so just let it idle for a little while. Don't rev it yet. As you can hear it, you hear just a little bit here. You get that woo. Right now we're gonna take it on a test drive, and I'll see y'all later. Yeah, I'm gonna buy one from Mom's truck. What the fuck? Yeah, crazy. What?
What? That shit sounds fake. It sounds like a game.
I know, right? Hold on. You can hear it, guys, so much clearer. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. As I can tell you, I can hear it loud. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. This is like a week after. Sounds crazy still. Gives me some check engine lights, like it's too lean. Lights from the check engine light or whatnot, but she's almost there. Yes, I'm gonna fix the headlights. Yes, the bumper's messed up. Future episode. And my hood struts are messed up, yes, I know. But yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.